everyone. I hope you all are fine and you guys are doing great. I'm sure you all really like to do vocabulary building. Today we're going to learn about the sound of PH as in F. PH gives the sound of F whenever used in a word. Now we'll see some of the words in which we use the sound of F or PH. Here we have PH. These two letters when combined together gives the sound of F. Can you people name any of the words which include these two letters in them? Come on, let's see together. What is this? It's an elephant. Alright, an elephant. Let's see its spellings. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. As you can see these two words right here, P and H, which gives the sound of F. Alright? Can you tell me now any word which starts with P and H and gives the sound of F? Great. It's a photo. Alright, what? Photo. Let's see its spellings. P-H-O-T-O. Photo. It starts with PH but gives the sound of F. Alright? Let's move on to the next word. What is this? It's a phone. It also starts with PH but gives the sound of F. Let's see its spellings. P-H-O-N-E. Phone. Starting with PH but giving the sound of F. Great. I'm sure you all know the sound of PH now, which is F. Great. Can you guys tell me any other word in which we use PH in the middle of the word? It's a graph. Alright? Graph. G-R-A-P-H. Graph. In this word, we are using PH in the end of the word. Alright? Graph. It does not give the sound of P. It gives the sound of F. Graph. Alright? What is this? It is very cute and I'm sure you all like it a lot. It's a dolphin. Yes. Can you guys tell me the spellings of dolphins? Let's see together. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. As you guys saw that it has PH in the middle of the word, but it does not give the sound of P. It gives the sound of F, which is dolphin. We don't have F in dolphin, but PH here gives the sound of F. Right? I'm sure you now all know that how can we use PH in the words and which sound it gives. I'm repeating it again. It gives us the sound of F. Alright? I'm sure it was very easy for you to understand. If you want to learn more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is The Country School Pakistan. Take very good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.